Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. In today's video I am going to tell you that if you're taking AC or any company's AC and it is not cooling well, even if the AC is running, you are sweating and the AC should be switched off, taking a long time to cool down. And you are a technician and you are checking the gas of the AC and the gas back pressure is fine and there is no chilling in the AC, then this video is for you. And if you are a customer and you have just got your AC serviced, but even after that the cooling is not happening, then you can also benefit from this video. You can also fix this problem at your home. It will not cost you much nor will you have to fill gas pump. From my personal experience, I was not working from 20 to 25 AC and gas was also fine in it. I have fixed one by doing the same thing. You can see that there is a lot of dust in the condenser coil. It happens that in the house we clean with water from bucket and mug, or we clean it with water pressure in the house, but it is not cleaned well, then you clean your one with jet pump. It is due to the filling of dust that the compressor trips after half an hour of running. Due to that, proper cooling is not possible in the room. If you clean the AC with jet pump, then your AC will start working well and the chilling in the room will increase and the room will work better than before. The outdoor unit that took 1 hour to cool before cleaning will cool down in 15 minutes after cleaning. Your AC will work like new AC. It happens that we temporarily clean it with mug, bucket or home low pressure water. With an outdoor unit clean, a recycle will do well. And the AC will start chilling as before. You can see that there was a lot of dust in the outdoor unit, so it was not chilling. Now let's clean the outdoor unit with a jet pump. It is very important to clean the outdoor unit in a servicing, seeing that there is no garbage in the outdoor unit, but it does not happen. When you clean it with jet pump, then the accumulated dust will come out of it and the electricity bill of your house will also be saved by using AC. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.